How to sync contacts with TextNow. First of all, open the app on your device and log in with your account. Although TextNow doesn't have a direct sync feature, you can still manage contacts through your device contacts app. To add a contact from someone who has messaged you, open the conversation, then tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Select Add to Contacts, then choose Create New Contact or Add to Existing Contact. Enter the contact's name and phone number, then tap Done. The person's name will now appear in your TextNow chats instead of just a number. To add a new contact manually, open your device contacts app, tap the plus icon, and enter the person's details. Tap Save and the contact will now be available in TextNow for messaging or calling. This way, any new contacts you add to your device will automatically appear in TextNow, keeping your conversation organized and easy to access. Now you know how to sync contacts with TextNow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.